Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering Notion to make life easier for music educators and grad students who are always on the go. As music educators and graduate students, you wear many hats, from teaching and mentoring to researching and creating. You're constantly on the go, juggling multiple responsibilities and tasks. That's why I want to introduce you to Notion, a powerful tool that can help you manage your tasks, schedules, and resources in a way that's tailored specifically to your needs. One of the biggest challenges you face is staying organized. You've got lesson plans to create, grades to keep track of, and performances to prepare for. And on top of that, you're probably also working on your own research projects, collaborating with colleagues, and attending meetings. It can be overwhelming to say the least. You might find yourself constantly switching between different apps and tools, trying to keep everything straight. Or worse, you might be relying on scraps of paper and sticky notes to keep track of everything. Now, we've all been there, scrambling to find that one piece of paper with the important notes, or trying to remember what tasks we were supposed to complete by the end of the week. It's frustrating, and it's a huge time suck. And what about when you need to collaborate with others? Trying to coordinate schedules and tasks with colleagues can be a nightmare. What if I told you it was a better way? A way to keep all your tasks, schedules, and resources in one place and access them from anywhere. A way to collaborate seamlessly with others and stay on top of your work without losing your mind. Notion of that tool. With its flexible database system, you can create custom pages and templates that fit your specific needs. You can use it to manage your tasks, keep track of your schedule, and even build customized workflows for your research projects. And the best part, you can access it from anywhere on any device. But Notion isn't just about task management. It's also a powerful tool for collaboration. You can invite colleagues and collaborators to join your Notion workspace and work together on projects in real time. You can leave comments and feedback and even assign tasks to others. It's like having your own personal team hub right in your browser. I want to share a success story with you, one that really illustrates the power of Notion. Let me tell you about Emily, a music educator who was struggling to keep track of her lesson plans and student progress. She was using a combination of Google Drive and Trello, but it was getting messy and disorganized. She started using Notion and was able to create a customized database for her lesson plans, complete with tags and filters. She could see at a glance what she needed to teach and what her students needed to work on. She even started using Notion's Kanban board feature to visualize her workflow and stay on track. The result? She saved hours of time each week and was able to focus on what really mattered, teaching and mentoring her students. The impact was huge. She was more productive, more organized, and more confident in her ability to manage her workload. And that's what I want for you. I want you to have the tools and resources you need to succeed without feeling overwhelmed or stressed out. So what can Notion do for you? It can help you streamline your workflow, stay organized, and collaborate more effectively with others. It can help you take back control of your time and focus on what really matters. Thanks for watching. I hope you can join me next time for more productivity tips and tricks. If you've got your own Notion success stories, I'd love to hear it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos on mastering productivity, music, and education. Take care, everyone.